Hello, I'm Jenny Gunning, a specialist printmaker from Ironbridge Printmakers in Ironbridge Fine Arts. We offer lots of printmaking workshops here alongside our gunning etching presses that we hand built here in Ironbridge and sell all over the world. One of these workshops is how to make a solar plate. The workshop involves how to calibrate your machines to make sure your output is as good as it can be. Working with your images, we show you how to edit and print them onto a transparency that can be used in a UV light box to make your plates. We show you how to develop your images as well, what to do and what not to do to make sure the plate will come out perfectly. We show you how to ink up in intaglio, both traditional and contemporary ways to get brilliant prints. We show you how to treat your paper, how to cut it, how to soak it, scrape and blot it, how to set your etching press to the right pressure so that you get the perfect print, what blankets to use and why. Included in the workshop is how to set all of your machines so they work well with one another so that you can get to the results that you want to get to. If you'd like any more information, please don't hesitate to get in touch. I'm Jenny Gunning and I look forward to hearing from you. Our Instagram is Ironbridge Printmakers and our business is Ironbridge Fine Arts. Thanks ever so much.